Areeba Habib falls in the category of most beautiful actress and celebrities of Pakistani dramas industry. She got fame from her drama Koi Chan Rak working with Azhar Khan and Imran Abbas. She also producer as well as model. According to Wikipedia, Areeba is 27 years old and still single. This is the good news for single boys. Areeba took some stunning pictures and looking cuter. Areeba is getting, and a beguiling Pakistani model became entertainer, who's getting everybody's advantage in her exhibitions. Her enthusiasm for expressions impacted her to go into the showbiz business. Coming from a non-imaginative foundation, so her battles are really self-evident. Areeba Habib, a 27-year-old entertainer and model, need no presentation. In a limited capacity to focus time, she has accomplished a place of notoriety inside the showbiz that not many entertainers in Pakistan have accomplished. The show Jalan with entertainers Imad Irfani and Support Ali turned out to be extremely famous among individuals. She has been included in incalculable advertisements and print mediums. She has likewise showed up in many style magazines. She has worked in some television advertisements successively like Telena TVC. She has strolled on the incline of many top public and worldwide style shows for various architects.